Estimating derivatives. So for these, we need to remind ourselves that derivative is slope at any given point. So in this case, we are estimating. So that's a lot like a secant line, basically what's going on. So this table gives us select values for the differentiable function f. Differentiable just means it's continuous and nothing strange going on here. What is the best estimate for f prime of 16? So 16 is our x value based on the table. All right, what is the best estimate for f of 16? We can make based on the table. All right, so where does 16 land? Well, 16 is right here. That's 16. So we would assume that if we took the slope of 15 and between 15 and 17, that would give us a good estimate. So what's our slope equation? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we'll just go ahead and, I always like labeling, prevents any mistakes. I'll call that x1, I'll call that x2. That means this would be our y2 value, this would be our y1 value. All right, so that tells us our estimate. So let's see, let's try to make it look nice. So that would be f prime of 16 is approximately equal to y2 is negative 68 minus y1 is negative 63 over x2 is 17 minus 15. All right, so then that means this is approximately equal to, that would be a plus negative 68 plus 63 is negative 5. And 17 minus 15 is 2. All right, negative 5 halves. And notice that it's negative 63, negative 68. It's getting smaller and smaller. It's decreasing. So it makes sense that it's a negative slope and negative 5 halves. I don't need the calculator. I know that one. Negative 2/5. 2.5, not 2/5. Negative 2.5. All right, that's our strategy on these. See if the next one's any different. This table gives select values, different function of g. What is the best estimate for g prime of negative 7? Just be careful where negative 7 is at. Looks like it's right here, right? Between negative 8 and negative 4. Even though we got a larger gap, we would still kind of use that estimate. So let's go ahead and y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this would be our x1 value. This is our x2 value. This is our y1 value. This is our y2 value. And we'll just go ahead and plug those in. So y2 is 77 minus y1 is 85 over x2. X2 is negative 4 minus x1 is negative 8. All right. So we'll go ahead and just calculate that. That would give me negative 8 on top over, that makes a plus sign over 4. I got negative 2. So we would say g prime of negative 7 is approximately equal to negative 2. And there it is right there. So it looks like the strategy is going to be the same on all of these. And yep, same idea. Where's the input lying on the graph, in between what numbers? And then we would set it up as a secant line or as the slope equation.